All right, so I didn't think I was gonna have to do a video on protein because let's face it, there's plenty of vegans out there who are jacked. But for some reason, there's still a lot of people out there who believe by going vegan, you're not gonna get enough protein, and that couldn't be further away from the truth. So in this video, I'm gonna explain why you should go on a plant-based diet to get your protein and not from animal products. So when we talk about protein, we have to talk about amino acids because amino acids are the building blocks of protein. There's 22 amino acids, 9 are essential. Essential meaning our body doesn't produce them, so they would be required by dietary sources. Now these 9 essential amino acids are found in a wide variety of plant-based foods, and they could exist together in different combinations. So as long as you get your 2,000 calorie intake and you eat a wide variety of different plant-based foods, you will not have a problem with protein. In fact, you won't even need to take supplements. Now, the actual amount of protein that humans require on a daily basis is only 0.36 grams for every pound we weigh. So it's about 50 grams for males and 40 grams for females. The largest study ever conducted on plant-based diet has shown almost no discrepancy between vegan and non-vegan protein intake. So I'm not even sure why this protein myth even exists, because only a fraction of the human population are protein deficient. So we gotta understand, all nutrients come from 2 places, the sun and the soil. If all these animals were brutally killing for their flesh, all the chickens, the cows, the goats, the lambs, the pigs, if all these animals we're brutally killing are getting their nutrients from the sun and from plant-based foods derived from the soil, why are we assuming that eating grilled chicken and steak is a more complete protein source than the plant-based foods that's providing the chickens, that's providing the cows with its nutrients? And even if some plant-based foods are relatively low in certain aminos, our bodies know how to make up for it by maintaining pools of free amino acids that can be used to do all the complementing for us. And if you haven't heard of protein cycling, this is just another reason why our bodies are so efficient and so intelligent, because every day protein gets dumped into the intestinal tract of our own bodies to get broken back down and reassembled so our bodies can mix and match amino acids to whatever proportions we need from whatever we eat. So as you can see, the lack of protein isn't really the problem here. The problem is people are getting too much protein. And when you're consuming animal products, most people are actually consuming more protein than the body requires. And when you take in too much protein, that builds up nitrogen in the blood found from the amino acids, which overworks your kidneys to remove that excess nitrogen, which can lead to kidney damage or renal failure. And that's not even the worst of it, because according to Harvard Med, studies have shown that animal protein can increase the risk of many different types of cancers, including colorectal, stomach, pancreatic, colon, breast, and prostate. In addition, you're also increasing the risk of getting heart disease and stroke due to the insane amount of saturated fats and cholesterol found in animal products. So what makes more sense? Going with animal products to get your protein, thereby increasing your chances of getting all these different types of cancers I just mentioned, or going on a whole foods plant-based diet, also getting your starch, also getting your antioxidants, also getting your fiber and the vitamin C, all of which are not present in animal products. It's a no-brainer. Ditch the animal products and get on a whole foods plant-based diet. Not only will you get the protein your body needs, you'll also get all the vitamins, all the nutrients your body requires to live a long and healthy life. And just remember, there is no point in being jacked when you're rotting inside. Here are the top 10 plant-based foods highest in protein.